So I was approached by an online company from Germany, and they found me via my YouTube channel. So I came down to the storage room with the spiders. I think it's on. Yes, we're on. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sean and I like oil painting. I thought I'd do a quick video just to say hi. I don't have a YouTube script. I don't have any bullet points. I have a few things that I just want to say and give you guys a bit of an update into what I've been up to the last 5 or 6 weeks. So I was approached by an online company from Germany, and they found me via my YouTube channel, Super, and they asked me to create an online oil painting course for their platform. They want me to be an instructor. So I've been really busy in the background the last 5 or 6 weeks working on that. So it's a series of 4 paintings, 4 small paintings. Each one takes around about an hour, hour and a half to paint, to create. And I've learned a lot about myself in the last 5 or 6 weeks. And I'm diluting it quite heavily just to, as I said, get rid of that white canvas. This will give me, oh God. I'm going to jump into the sea, not literally. Here, my cadmium red has grown some legs and he wants to join the party. I decided to paint each picture and talk about exactly what I'm doing from start to finish. That includes mixing colours, composition, brushes, materials, everything. Why I'm making this brush stroke, why am I making this darker and lighter. And that was really tough. That was really tough indeed. And that has inspired me to do more of that sort of content in the future. So that's almost finished now. The course is almost finished. And I had to come down here into the storage room from our house because we have a toddler tornado running around and she likes to scream and shout and laugh, and it wasn't really practical for me to try and do the course upstairs, especially whilst talking and painting and running 2 cameras at the same time. So I came down to the storage room with the spiders and decided to create the entire course here, and this room is tiny. The good thing about this room is the sound. I think the sound quality is much better because it's just jam-packed full of junk, and that helps with the sound, I guess. So I've been working on that. This sort of content course stuff is something that I wanted to do in the next sort of 3, 4, maybe 5 years time. To be honest, I didn't think I was ready to make a course like this, and well, it turns out I was ready, and I'm really grateful for the company that got in touch with me. Really grateful indeed, actually. I'm really humbled by that, and it's a beginner's oil painting course, which as I said, is almost finished. I just have to do a few tweaks with the video edits. But yeah, absolutely blown away with that. So I've been quietly working in the last sort of 5 or 6 weeks on that, and yeah, unbelievable. So that happened, and also in parallel to that, I'm building up a body of new works, focusing on alla prima painting, which is like the course I've been working on, which is wet on wet, which is finishing an entire oil painting in one sitting without the need to work in layers. And I'm updating my website at the moment with new works. And I'm also looking to join some online art galleries. And yeah, that's pretty much me in a nutshell in the last sort of 5 or 6 weeks. And also I'm thinking about doing some sort of content change when it comes to my YouTube channel. Whether you have any ideas, I don't know what you might like. Perhaps you like time lapses or how-to videos, perhaps talking head videos like this, whatever. I mean, if you have an idea of what I could start creating, then let me know down in the comments. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're all keeping well. It's really nice to get behind the camera and just have a chat with you. There's no YouTube scripts, no voiceover. It's just me, raw footage, speaking to you like this. And it's actually quite liberating, you know, it's really fresh and nice. And I think I want to do more of this sort of style of work. I don't know if it's called a vlog or whatever, but yeah, amazing. So thanks again, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.